Imagine being a basketball player, coming up to the free throw line, and you need to get these buckets to win the game. You take a couple of shots, they rim out, and you lose the game. What does that do to your mindset? Well, obviously, as a player, that'll probably linger in your brain for a while. You're going to figure out what happened, what could I have done better, and you move forward. So there's a healing process, there's a growing process, and there's a rebuilding process. You have to find out what has caused that. And a lot of that stuff is mental, it's an emotional thing. I built this channel, The Inner Reset, for that reason, to help men find that inner peace inside themselves, the struggles that they have gone through, the discipline that they need to have to move forward, resilience, integrity, authenticity, all these words that a man needs to become the man they want to be. So through struggles, there's always wins. And we always have to remember the good things, the wins that we have in life. Through struggles, I went through major struggles. I went through living in a family that had cultural values that I had to live by. I was married for 25 years. I had to divorce after 25 years. Trauma, two boys in their teens. I lived in a midlife crisis for 3 years, dated, drank, partied, had a good time. But there was a lot of what could I have done better? What kind of self-control could I have had to do that? And changing my whole character. Like I changed everything. I quit my job after 20 years in the, automotive industry to become something totally different I thought I would never do. Sometimes you just got to just let go of the past and move forward. And that's one of my main things with this channel is the present and the future. The past has happened, you can't bring that back, nor do you want to bring that back. Okay, so that's where the healing comes in. You need to heal yourself to move forward. If you can't heal yourself, you're going to be stuck in that mud pit. So what I did is I looked up inside my brain. I didn't look, but I imagined what my life would look like, and I wanted to imitate it. I wanted to do that. I wanted to start doing some more walking. I wanted to go back to the gym. I wanted to tell people, hey, look, this is who I am. I'm not the old person I used to be. So I'm going to live my life this way. I had to have courage, courage to change, courage to take on people who are going to, mock you behind your back or gossip. And you know what? At the end of the day, you can gossip all you want because it's not going to matter to me anymore. And that's the mentality you have to have. Who cares what other people think? The word no, you need to do your best to use it more often, because as men, we always say, yeah, sure, no problem. What about no? Okay. Take ownership of who you want to be. What is the purpose of your life after, be it divorce or any kind of hardship? Who do you want to become? How are you going to find that inner peace? Okay. I live on now what's called a Stoic lifestyle, which is happiness and reactions to my happiness. I do what I want to do to make myself feel good. Did I make a lot of, mistakes and errors in my past? Absolutely I did. But now, look at Kobe, the Mamba, right? So basically, just be you, be the person you really wanted to be. If you wanted to, have this persona of yourself, well, bring it out, because he was always waiting to come out. The mental toughness, that's the huge, biggest thing. And you know what? Once you find it, the awakening, it all comes, right? You become the person you thought you would never be. I decided to do this YouTube channel hoping to help one person. Now a lot. My channel has done quite well, in a month, 40,000 views, 120 some odd subscribers, and I'm so happy about it, because this is something I never thought I would do. this is a raw video. Like, I'm not going to edit this. I'm not going to do anything to it. I'm going to post it as it is. This is a long form video, and I hope this resonates with a lot of men because, for me, it gave me a lot of clarity on life. It's like, man, who did you want to really be? What do you want to do in life? Who do you want to become? If that's what you want, go there and go do it, right? You've always said you wanted to learn how to ski. Well, you know what? Put on some skis and go do it. Nothing to lose, right? Rebuilding takes time, though. Keep that in mind. Fair warning, rebuilding takes time. I'm 58 years old. I got 6 more years to retirement. Did I wait too long in my life to make these changes, to find this clarity? But you know what I found through all this, gentlemen, is I have an identity. I know who I want to be. I know what I have to offer, and I know I finally found who I really wanted to be. I wrote books. People say to me, "You write books?" I go, "Yeah," because that's the only way I could express myself. I don't do the journaling or the meditations and that kind of stuff. I just, started writing books. The journey that I went through is going to be different for everybody else. But the main thing is that we lose focus on who we are and who we really want to become. So take this, for example, when you were growing up and you're a little child and says, "Hey, what do you want to be when you grow up?" And you say, "I want to be a firefighter. I want to be a policeman." What's stopping you from doing it now? Right? Or how can you get there? Do I need to take more classes? Do I have to do something else? So mental toughness and having that awakening will give you authenticity. It'll give you purpose, and it also even give you stabilization. Stabilization is huge. You need to be grounded. You need to be able to make decisions that you enjoy. It doesn't matter what anybody else thinks about the decisions you're making, because you're making these decisions based on how you feel, right? I've learned to never second guess. If I'm really unsure, well, then sure, I might ask 1 or 2 people and then decide. But if you want to do something, do it, right? And again, my words that I use all the time is growth and rebuilding. And that's what I'm doing. I'm 58, like I said, and I'm continuously, rebuilding. We're on this planet, we're on this earth for a little while. Okay, so do it now and just try something different, right? You don't have to master anything. You just got to make subtle changes and you can get there. I'm always going to be open to comments in my page. I'm also going to eventually open up group chats for men to get together. I just want to get my channel and my purpose out to everybody out there. I started this and I'm loving it. And even for me, gentlemen, by doing this, I'm taking ownership and I'm making progress, and that I'm actually helping people, right? For me, it's not the views, it's not monetizing, it's none of that stuff. For me, it's just like getting this all out and talking about it raw is uplifting. If you can just take a few moments and tell people your past and your struggles and what you wish you would have done or would have changed, that weight just comes off. So every time I feel stressed out, I always bring it to the struggles I went to, but then I also tell them, but look at me now. Look where I am. Look what I've accomplished. Right? So never look back. Now is not the time to look back. Be proud of who you are, where you came from, and what you're still going to do. Right? It doesn't matter what age you are. You could be 30, 40s. You're about a years away from retirement. You need clarity. You're doing it for purpose. You're doing it for ownership. And you're reinventing yourself. So as men, boys, teenagers, whatever, do what makes you happy. Find that inner reset in your body and say, you know what? I can do this. I can accomplish it. There's going to be doubters. There's going to say people like, are you crazy? You did such and such. You say, yeah, I did because I wanted to, right? You're not going to please everybody. And one thing you need to remember, you're not there to please anybody. You're there to make yourself happy. You want to bring yourself happiness, joy, clarity, and you want to have a life of purpose. So with that, I hope you enjoy this channel, this raw video, which I'm not going to edit. I hope to have more comments with you. If you need something that you want to talk about, I'm a comment away, or down the road I'm open to anything. So I'm just wanting to help anybody out there who wants to make a change. You know what? I'll take that back. You can make change. You just got to act on it and do it and be that better man. Find your inner reset and become the man you always wanted to be.